We're giving this bike away in a matter of days, and today is the last ride until somebody else takes it home. Let's get out on the road, have some fun. So guys, this is as good as it gets. 1937 Harley, guys. It's been a whole year. We're gonna be giving this bike away in no time, guys. Tons of anticipation. We've got everything dialed, so the wheels are running true. I got fresh oil change, primary chain, rear chains adjusted. Everything's working absolutely as it should. Just a handful of miles on this thing, guys. It's like a brand new 37 Harley. Hopefully it's gonna be coming to your door in no time, guys. So this is the 21st year that we've raffled a motorcycle, or we will be raffling a motorcycle here at Wheels Through Time. We've given away some incredible machines. If you ask me, this is our nicest one yet. 1937 Harley. It's got that ultimate knucklehead engine. 1937, 61 cubic inches, hand built right in our Wheels Through Time restoration shop. This thing is massaged from the top to the bottom to give miles and miles of trouble-free service. 4-speed transmission, tank shift, got the ultra cool Flanders handlebars and risers, the shortened up bob fenders. Of course, we got that insane Mark Peters pinstripe job, specially hand lettered gold and silver leaf, 1937 paint scheme laid over this ultra cool Harley custom silver, classic solo seat, all the right amount of chrome just peppered all over the bike, chrome exhaust, you got that chrome headlight, 6-volt system just like they built them back in the day. So this is the museum's biggest fundraiser. The raffle is one of the things that keeps this museum going and growing, building new exhibits, keeping the overall experience of our visitors getting better and better. So when you guys visit the museum and you like what you see, big part of it is because of this raffle and you guys' support. So make sure you get tickets. It's one of the things that keeps us going, and it also gives us an opportunity to put somebody new on a real classic American motorcycle. Taking up all the bumps. That's what motorcycling's all about. Taking a piece of history, putting it back on the road. So stoked to put this bike in somebody's garage and show people what this history's all about, man. It's gonna be one exciting day. Speedo is steady as it gets. So many one-year-only parts on this motorcycle. You got those early knucklehead paces, you know, knuckleheads, rare as they come when it comes to American motorcycles. So much throttle response. If somebody's gonna take this piece of history home, guys, why not you? Woo-wee! She runs so good! Don't get no better than a knucklehead, guys. November 18th, that's your day. Make sure you get tickets. We're gonna be giving this bad boy to somebody new. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.